Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the top 30 ways to make money online as an artist, as a designer, and also a print-on-demand seller. And also if you want to make money online, then also this video is exactly for you. So keep on watching this video till the end guys, and also if you stick till the end, then I have 2 more bonuses as well. So make sure you stick till the end for getting those bonuses. So before going into the good part, click on the like button guys. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started with the main part of the video guys. First way to make money online is selling your art and design on various print-on-demand products. Especially talking about selling your art and designs on t-shirts, mugs, stickers and so on. There are many websites for that, such like the Redbubble, Teepublic. I've made bunch of videos talking about the Redbubble, Teepublic, the Jazzle. You can check all those videos out guys in the card section above. But this is one of the most common way to make money online as an artist, as a seller, as a print-on-demand seller, as a designer, as a passive form of income, and you just need to place your designs on various different products, and when someone actually purchases that product, that company will, or that website will going to print that work or print that design onto that product, and we're going to deliver and handle the shipping and customer delivery and all that. And you're just gonna get the commission of per product you sell on their marketplace. So that's the first way. Moving on to the second way to make money online is selling your original art. Now, if you are a designer or if you are an artist, then obviously you're creating your designs or art, then you can sell your original art either in the form of a physical product or either in the form of a designer. Then you are making your designs and you can sell in the form of digital downloads as well. So selling your original art is really awesome, although it's not passive because you need to make new artworks every time to sell it online. You can sell it onto the online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, or either way you can also sell it on your own website. Guys, I have made the complete free guide which contains top 30 ways to make money online as an artist, as a designer, and also print-on-demand seller. And along with that, there are 2 more bonuses, so 30 plus ways to make money online. So if you're going to download that free guide, the link of that free guide description box below, you can download it. And on to the third way to make money online is by doing commission or by selling your services. If you are creating a design or if you are creating an artwork, you can sell your services. You can sell your commission art or commission designs online. You can check out the Fiverr, the Upwork. They are amazing for selling your services. You can sell the services depending on how much time it's taking you to make that particular piece of work. Apart from that, how many details are there, what are the type of the file resolution, and if you're selling the physical product, like if you're creating an art and you're selling the physical product for your client, what is the size, what are the materials used, how much time it took you to make that, you can include all those things into that pricing and then can sell it thereby. It's a form of active income guys, because you need to again and again get the clients, and then you need to create a piece of work for them and then can sell it. It's not a passive form of income. Fourth way is starting with your own YouTube channel. You can start with an art YouTube channel, design YouTube channel, or print-on-demand seller YouTube channel, and can start making money online. Obviously, to grow a YouTube channel, it takes time. There are many ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The primarily is by showing the ads in your videos, and for that you need to be monetized. You need to reach 2,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours in a 1 year to get monetized on YouTube. But if you haven't reached it yet, then you can also use the other ways to make money online by starting with your YouTube channel. That is the affiliate income, selling your own product, that is the physical or digital products, or selling your services or commission artwork in that YouTube channel as well, without actually having to wait to monetize the YouTube channel for till you reach that watch time hours and all that. So if you want to check that video out, I've already made a video talking about how to monetize your YouTube channel without having to reach 2,000 subs. If you're having less than 1,000 subs and you haven't get monetized by YouTube, there is another way to make money online by starting with that YouTube channel. You can check that video out in the card section above guys, in which I cover various ways in which you can make money by starting with your YouTube channel. The fifth way to make money online is by selling your art on the art prints or onto the various canvas prints, wall prints and all that. You can also sell your designs on these. And if you are print-on-demand seller, then obviously you are creating those designs. You can sell those designs onto the art prints, canvas prints and wall prints a very useful website for this purpose is the Artpal. Artpal.com is really awesome website. I'm going to make a separate video talking about the Artpal and how you can use it as a print on demand seller, as an artist, as a designer. So consider subscribing to my channel for that video, because that video will gonna be live in a few days only. So you'll be able to know more about the Artpal and how you can use it completely for free for selling your art prints and making more passive income online. Now moving on to the another way to make money online is by selling your art or your graphics in the form of digital downloads onto the Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, Hungry JPEG or Innovato, that is the graphic river. You can make your own profile on that. You need to get an approval to open up a shop in the marketplace, but once you are allowed to do so, you can sell your digital art, or you can sell your art or design in the form of digital downloads on that platform. On to another way to make money online is selling your own books onto the Amazon KDP books. You can create your books there are two types of books basically, the high content and the low and no content. You can create the high content book by creating a craft that you have or anything you have experienced so far in your life. Even if you're a print on demand seller, you can combine all your experience in the form of a book and you can sell it onto the KDP in the form of ebook, that is a Kindle version, or in the form of paperback as well. If you don't know that, then you can also get started with KDP low and no content book. You can create these generals, these planners, line generals, blind generals, and then can sell onto the KDP and make more passive income online. The link of the complete tutorial, the complete playlist talking about the KDP low and no content book is in the card section above, guys. You could check that complete playlist because where I'm talking about the KDP low and no content book and depth and everything about it. Eighth way to make money online is by making and selling courses. You can create art courses, you can create design courses, and if you have a print on demand selling experience on Redbubble, then you can create a course around that and you can sell on the various marketplaces like the Udemy, Skillshare. And if you don't want to do that, then you can also sell it onto the Gumroad, and you can also sell it on the your own website. It's an amazing way to make passive income online, and there are very high ticket offers where people are selling courses for very high rate as well and low rate as well. So it depends on you whatever route you want to choose, but it's downloads, like you don't need to provide for the physical product and all that, and also it's a form of a more passive income rather than more of the active, because you just need to do the work in the upfront, and then when this course sells, you're gonna get money out of it, and you don't need to do anything apart from that after just creating that course. The ninth way is making and selling your own comics. If you have a certain art style or certain art theme, or if you're creating a designs around some specific culture or some specific niche or theme or style, whatever it is, you can create a comic out of it, and you can create these comics in the form of the series like the edition 1, edition 2 and so on, and you can sell them either on the Amazon or either on the Etsy and can make more passive income online. You can sell it in the form of an ebook as well, like the e-comics, or you can sell it in the form of the paperback, whichever route you choose. But passive, it can be an active. If you are doing the printing and delivery by yourself, then it would be an active. But if you're just uploading your PDF download of your comics onto the Amazon, on the KDP, then it would be a more passive rather than more of the active. 10th way is to sell your art workshops, design workshops, or art classes or tutorials. Unlike in art courses where you need to sell the complete course, the list of the various tutorials and various classes, in comparison to the art workshops or art tutorials, you're just gonna sell a 1 hour or a 2 hour type of like a tutorial where you're showing someone how to do something, or you're delivering some knowledge, you're delivering some value. It can be either form of the online workshops, or either it can be form of the offline workshop, whatever route you want to choose. But right now the online workshops are more common. You can create them on your own website, you can sell them or that workshop again and again and can make more passive income online. And you just need to create it once, and then you can also create the art tutorials, the short art tutorials 1 to 2 hours, and can sell them. 11th way is by starting with a Patreon. If you guys are not familiar with a Patreon, let me tell you, Patreon is a way, it's a kind of like a monthly subscription where you can join, and there is some tier system starting from, you can start with the $1 as well, or $2 depending on whatever price rate you want to choose. But there is a different tier system, and people actually go and support you by the Patreon that's starting from $1, $5, $6, $7 and so on. And it's an awesome way to make monthly income because it's a type of a subscription membership fees. You're going to deliver each month value to that tier system, to that people have subscribed to you each month, and it's a kind of a more of a recurring income. Signing up for the art tutorials, and you need to provide the art tutorials each month to your people who have supported you on the Patreon. But it's an amazing way to make more recurring income each month coming onto your bank account, and you can join it as a artist, as a designer, as a print on demand seller as well. Like, you can sell your art tutorials and selling your experience via this Patreon. 12th way to make money online is by starting with your own podcast. You can create a podcast about the art or design, or if you are a print on demand seller and you have an experience about talking about the Redbubble or Teepublic, whatever the platform it is, you can create a podcast about it. You can create a complete podcast and can share your own views, your values. You can interview other people as well in your industry in those podcasts, and it's a form of like same as like a YouTube channel where you see the people's face, where you have more of a visuals and audio. But in the podcast, you just have the audio version, and you can either get sponsors for your podcast, or you can sell ads on your podcast as well. Apart from that, you can also sell your services, your various different types of products via the podcast, kind of like an active and passive way to make money online. Now guys, I have only talked about the 12 ways to make money online. If you want to check the rest of the ways, I have made a free guide for that. The link in the description box below. You can download it completely for free, in which contains the top 30 ways. Along with that, the 2 more bonuses in which you can make more money online. I have only talked about the 12 in this video, so for more detail you can check that guide, the link in the description box below. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope you really find it useful, you really find it valuable. Let me know in the comment section below guys what you think about it. And thank you so much for tuning in today's video guys. See you for the next time guys. Take care. Bye.